Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to look at rocker Choctaw sequence from Silver Skating Skill Test, former Novice Move in the Field test. And we're going to take that move apart and do some preparation exercises for it. So this step is consist of rocker, backward and side rocker, forward and side to backward outside Choctaw, cross behind, cross in front, and then you repeat other way. Rocker, Choctaw, step cross behind, cross in front. You're going to do this across the ice about 3 times from each side. And we're going to focus on true edges for that backward inside rocker, because as you see here, she turned into 3-turn instead of rocker, and that's very common mistake. After that, it's not going to be Choctaw, but forward outside Mohawk, unfortunately. So let's look at next video where she's going from backward inside edge into backward inside rocker, and you can see clearly inside edge here. So this time it was much better than first try. And then she going back on backward outside edge through Choctaw from forward inside to backward outside. So this moment is very important because it's very easy to slip from rocker to 3-turn and from Choctaw to Mohawk. This student just beginning to work on his novice or silver skating skills moves, and we're going to start from that backward outside glide extension with free leg, twist position, right shoulder or leading shoulder. At this point it's left shoulder, depend which leg you're going on, a little too high. So I like to see more leveled position. So you twist and you're going to control those shoulders and pull that leading shoulder down. That's your goal, to get over your heel when you're gliding backward outside. Right here you can see very nice position, leveled shoulders, arms extend, leg extend. In the next exercise, I'm going to do that transition with cross behind and cross in front. Just that part, and really focus on pushes. Of course, he needs to hold his arms out, a little sloppy, and then extension with free leg every time. I show you different levels of working on these moves on purpose, that you can see when you start, you're never perfect. And then you keep working on it, and you can see here, she already passed that test. So arms extend, leg turn out point. And now we're going to repeat same exercise from other foot. And again, good extension with free leg. Every push, you have to finish maximum power, and good deep edges. We can go even into deeper details and take the previous move apart. And this will be first part, backward outside cross roll, when you cross behind. And then cross in front, going to be backward inside edge. Make sure to twist and bend your skating leg before you push. Then you will have more power. Exit at the end. Now we're going to work on rockers. We're going to start from right backward inside rocker, left forward inside Mohawk, and then switch legs and do left backward inside rocker on a line, and then right forward inside Mohawk. So most important here is to rotate your shoulders. You can see here, shoulders perpendicular to the line. Oh, that's a difficult word for me to say. And exit on forward inside edge. And now you can see on a big pattern, Mohawk and rocker, pressing on inside edge before and after. And again, good twist across, and then inside edge after the rocker. Make sure you turn your foot hips enough that it's not torn into 3-turn. Next step after the rocker is forward and side to backward outside Choctaw. We're just going to stand still here next to the wall and make sure you go through good turnout, fifth position, extend your free leg after you step backward outside, and keep shifting your weight from forward and side to backward outside. Try to repeat this multiple times. It's very important to understand which edge you're going on forward and backward. So this is forward and side, backward outside, forward and side, and then backward outside again. Should keep practicing on leaning forward, holding on the wall, and then shifting your shoulders back to get this backward outside edge. And then same, we're going to do other foot. So that's position after you're done with your rocker. Your free leg behind, close to your skating leg, turn out, point, and then you step backward with your free leg extend in front. After that Choctaw, you're going to do cross behind, cross in front, and start other leg when you're doing the whole sequence. After we practice this next to the wall, we're going to try that Choctaw with your leg behind when you go forward and leg in front when you go backward. Make sure that you rotate your shoulders into the circle, get to the line, and then when you step across the line, you can see square position, shoulders and hips line up, and then he twists other way when he step backward. And again, you can see nice outside edge, shoulders in twist position. And that was on the line, and now we're going on a big pattern. I like to start on the line because you understand when you have to do that turn, because if you're going to do this too early and not reach that axis, you're not going to do your true edges. It's going to turn into mohawk instead of Choctaw. But you can see here, nice twist, nice extension, good half circles every single time. And then, of course, same Choctaws we're going to do from other leg. It needs a lot of repetitions, feeling your shoulders and hips, checking at the same time. Shoulders go one way, hips go other way. And turn out, open your hips, turn out your feet when you're doing transition. This is easy exercise for beginning of your rockers. Just doing 2-foot turns and twisting, shoulders staying and hips turning forward and backward. And then after that, we're going to do back-to-back rocker Choctaw, just on a circle. Keep your feet closer together. You can see inside edge here. She's looking at the direction of her movement. And feet staying close together. That will allow you to do nice rocker and transition from forward inside to backward outside Choctaw. After that, you're doing cross in front, good push, and then you start your rocker and Choctaw again. We're going to do this other way as well. So feet together, you can see nice feet position before and after rocker, that you can do quick turns. If you free like wild, like sometimes here, it's get much more difficult to do quick turns with good edges. Now we're going to try to put this together. Beginning of pattern is optional. Sometimes I do rockers, 3-step mohawk, or just 3-turn with power pull. But you don't want to get into 3-turn right here. You can see that he exit on forward outside edge and step on backward outside edge, which I said previously, it's turn into 3-turn and Mohawk instead of rocker and Choctaw. So you have to be careful which edge you exit after the turn. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.